This video is going to show you how to acknowledge the elementary report cards in the parent portal. Once you log in, underneath More, you're going to go to Backpack, and here you're going to see a list of all of your students that you have in the district. If you need to open one up, you just click on the plus. I'm going to go to Documents, and you'll notice here I'll see the elementary report card, and then all the way over to the right, it'll let me know if I've acknowledged that report card or not. To acknowledge it, I'm going to click on the report card. Here I can review the report card, and then up at the top, once I've looked at it, I will select the acknowledge and then save. Now I could close out of this, and you'll notice that if I go to another student, and once I have acknowledged it, it'll let me know who acknowledged it and the date and time that they did.